Hey everyone, and welcome back to Twoguysfinance channel. And today we're going to be looking at two very important apps, and they are Appypie AI and Elicit AI. Don't forget that this is Twoguysfinance, where we break down tech tools so you can build your business smarter, not harder. And we're tackling these two AI powerhouses. Even though they have different superpowers, we want to see which one deserves your cash. Let's break it down fast. First up, they have core purpose. Think of Elicit as your genius research assistant. It dives into scientific papers and academic data to find answers. And Appypie AI is your creative builder. Its main job is to help you create apps, websites, and chatbots with zero coding required. Totally different league. So who are they for? Elicit AI is for analysts, students, and innovators, anyone who needs data-driven insights. And Appypie AI is for the entrepreneurs, the small business owners, the dreamers who want to build a digital presence fast. When we look at their strengths, Elicit's strength is depth and accuracy. It has depth and accuracy. Pulling from millions of credible sources, it often has a free tier with paid plans for power users. While Appypie's strength is speed and simplicity, you are paying for a subscription to their easy-to-use app building platform. You're buying creation tools, not just information. So what's the verdict? You don't really choose between them. You choose the right tool for the job. Exactly. Do you need to write a white paper or validate a new idea? Then Elicit AI is your brainy best friend. If you are ready to build an app for your side hustle or a website for your store, Appypie AI is your go-to builder. So it's not a battle, it's about using the right tool. If you have a question, drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more head-to-head tech showdowns that help your finances. See you in the next one.